Hi friends, my name is Anu Bansal. I am from Mabla Grand, Assistant Sales Manager, and this is the overview of the project. In this we are coming up with the 8 towers and 23 stories, and total land is 11.12 acres, and best part, construction part is only 16%, and rest 84% is the open area. In this we are coming up with the lush 8 acres of green area. Like, and best part, we are coming up with a dual club concept in this. One is Earth Club and one is Skywalk, which is on 13th and 14th floor. Right? And we have 3 categories: 3 plus 1 BHK, 4 plus 1 BHK, and then we have penthouses. This is our Earth Club, which is in 50,000 square feet. In this we are coming up with the gym, cineplex, guest suite, indoor games, sauna, steam, bar, jacuzzi, and supermarket as well for daily needs, right? And now this is Skywalk, and basically this is a fresh air concept. 13th and 14th floor पे 8K tower through and through connected रहेंगे. In this we have open cineplex, open gym, open games, and 800 meter of jogging track as well. Now we have 3 towers of 4 plus 1 BHK. Area is 3560, and rest 5 towers of 3 plus 1 BHK. Area is 2580. Okay. Best part, on every ground floor we have a dedicated reception area which has concierge, meeting room, waiting lounge, restroom, security checkpoints. अपार्टमेंट हमारे फर्स्ट फ्लोर से स्टार्ट है, एंड बेस्ट पार्ट, गेट से लेके अपार्टमेंट तक आने के लिए 5 tier सिक्योरिटी है. एंड नाउ वी हैव पेंट हाउसेज ऑन 22nd एंड 23rd फ्लोर. XXX पेंट हाउसेज रहेंगे, एंड रूफ का भी एक्सेस सिर्फ उन्हीं को ही रहेगा, प्राइवेट रूफ, एंड प्राइवेट लिफ्ट होगी, प्राइवेट स्प्लैश पूल होगा, वुडन डेक होगा. एंड बेस्ट पार्ट, पूरे शहर में ऐसा कोई पेंट हाउस आ ही नहीं रहा. एंड पेंट हाउस का जो एरिया रहेगा 3 plus 1 के ऊपर रहेगा 7500 स्क्वायर फीट, एंड 4 plus 1 के ऊपर रहेगा 9400 स्क्वायर फीट. Hi friends, this is our 4 plus 1 BHK sample flat and area is 3560. इसके अंदर सेम टीकवुड डोर हम लगा के दे रहे हैं, डिजिटल लॉक हम लगा के दे रहे हैं, 4-way एक्सेस, बायोमेट्रिक, पासवर्ड, कार्ड एंड की. Now friends, this is the entry. Please come. And in this we are giving the same flooring as it is, vitrified marble Italian tiles by Simfolo, and complete fall ceiling with LED lights in whole apartment, including kitchen and washroom. And friends, this is our store. And this is puja room. And friends, this is drawing, only drawing. Now this is guest bedroom, first room. And we are giving full height wardrobes as it is, lacquered glass on top with push and pull drawers. And complete washroom as it is. with the fittings of Toto and Grohe, looking mirror, bath enclosure, vanity, geyser and exhaust as well. So this is our guest bedroom and room size is approx 15 by 11. In this we are giving same flooring, same false ceiling with LED lights, fan and pura apartment centralized AC hot and cold VRV technology. So guys, this is our best part of Marbella Grand. In this we are using high grade aluminum windows, not the UPVC one, with the mash door and soundproof toughened glass. And this is the actual size of the balcony. ये डक्ट रहेगी, इसके अंदर AC का आउटर यूनिट, वॉशरूम का गीजर एंड स्टोरेज विल बी देयर. So now friends, this is our elegant drawing room and along with this we are providing you a powder room with the fittings of Toto and Grohe, looking mirror, vanity, complete as it is, as you can see. And this is a video door front part of the specification, right? Now this is our luxury dining and family lounge area. And now friends, this is our second bedroom. Please come. And in this also we are offering a wardrobe as it is, lacquered glass on top, as you can see. Full size wall to wall wardrobes with push and pull drawers. And flooring as it is, vitrified marble Italian tiles, complete false ceiling with LED lights and whole apartment centralized AC VRV technology. And now this is our washroom, as you can see. And हर bedroom के साथ we have a separate balcony, as you can see, with mash door and soundproof toughened glass. So friends, now we'll move to our third bedroom. And now our third bedroom, flooring as it is, false ceiling as it is with LED lights, and whole apartment centralized AC again. Now this is our washroom, third washroom. Elegant washroom with beautiful designed wardrobes, and as you can see, corner utilization is really good. Full size wall to wall wardrobes with lacquered glass on top. And these are the drawers. Beautiful design wardrobes, elegant. With the same vanity and bath enclosure as well. Same. Again with the fittings of Toto and Grohe, all international brands. And now I am showing you the balcony with the same again match door and soundproof toughened glass. And this ये balcony से आपके second and third room को cater करेगी with 24 feet length. And best part, जितनी भी हमारी balconies हैं सारी की सारी private balconies हैं, very well designed structure. कोई भी balcony एक दूसरे balcony से visible नहीं है. So friends, this is our third room. Now we are going to our master bedroom, elegant master bedroom. Again, this is a clear room, and in this we are offering wooden flooring by Pergo, Swedish brand. And again we are offering centralized AC, hot and cold VRV technology in whole apartment with fan, fall ceiling and LED lights. Along with the dressing area and beautiful design wardrobes, as it is lacquered glass on top, as you can see. And complete washroom, as it is beautiful design washroom, fully equipped washroom we are offering. And now this is our balcony, again separate balcony. So now friends, now we are moving to our another balcony, which is an inner facade with family lounge. This is the balcony area. So this is our balcony, inner balcony, and with the tucked area. As you can see, this is a full size store. And यहाँ पे डाइनिंग के साथ वी आर गिविंग फुल साइज विंडोज ओपन टू स्काई. सो वेंटिलेशन सनलाइट पूरी रहेगी आपके हाउस में. एंड माबला ग्रैंड का बेस्ट पार्ट, 4+1 का वॉल टू वॉल फ्रंट इज 70 feet. As you can see. So friends, now our elegant beautiful design kitchen basically friends हम लोगों ने 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है. So this is the main kitchen and पूरा हेटिक का मॉड्यूलर किचन हम लोग बना के दे रहे हैं with the same fridge, OTG, microwave, chimney, hob, and these are all the fully equipped drawers, and you can see corner utilization is really good. And we have designed a beautiful pantry. And this is a breakfast counter. So this is the main kitchen and this is the service kitchen for heavy cooking, tadkas, fry, and these are the wardrobes. we are offering, and with the same chimney and hob. These are RO and dishwasher as well. We have a separate wet area along with the servant room with the separate entrance. So friends, ये है हमारा 4+1 BHK, एरिया इज 3560. अगेन मैं आपको थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ कर देती हूँ इसका. कंप्लीट फ्लोरिंग एज इट इज हम करके दे रहे हैं. कंप्लीट फॉल सीलिंग विद LED लाइट्स हम करके दे रहे हैं. पूरा अपार्टमेंट सेंट्रलाइज AC, हॉट एंड कोल्ड VRV टेक्नोलॉजी, एंड कंप्लीट वेल डिजाइन वार्डरोब, सिलेक्टेड ग्लास ऑन टॉप, complete washroom with the fittings of Toto and Grohe, and complete kitchen with all appliances. If you like this flat, please do a pay a visit to Marbella Grand. Thank you so much.